with black hair. You just redeemed your loyalty card to the Fupa fam. Today's video is dedicated to you, my Fupa girls. And I know in the recent Fupa video, some of you guys were like, Faye, that's just your belly. Don't call it your Fupa. I wore, the chubs is pretty Fupa-esque. And I know my upper belly as well. Anyway, today we are testing out SKIMS. As you guys requested. No shade, only Gatorade. I've seen a lot of SKIMS reviews on girls that are either, you know, of course, basically more fit than me. I take it upon myself and do a SKIMS review on an apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Body shaped like me, a lower belly that hangs, chubs down here, peeks out all the time, pretty thick, you know? And a flat booty. Like, homegirl has nothing over here. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Your body's your body. My body's my body. Who cares? I care. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I'd just give a quick little personal update. I'm feeling very emotionally drained today. So if I'm acting out and being petty, there you go. It's like so delicate. I got one of her maternity items. Oh my god. So a lot of her things are out of stock. I just had to. So this is me in my natural habitat. Please don't come for me. Actually, you can. I really don't care. Don't you say anything about the booty though. I'm still a little sensitive in that area, okay? Okay, so we're gonna try on this core control thong in clay. And I chose a size small to medium. It has a grip on the inside, only at the back. Do you see? Normally I wear mediums, so I thought small medium, but Kim. Okay, I'm just gonna trust the process. Bro, I can't even. I feel like I'm gonna break my legs. Dude, are you sure this will even, well? Oh, dang! Maybe I should have got a medium large. It hurts. I'm scared for the wedgie. Okay, look. Oh my god. Oh my god. It literally looks like I gave birth to quadruplets. Look at this. Do you see the intensity that my stomach is going through right now? Oh my god. The thong has approached the crack. God, it's a whole workout. We got it. See, this is my issue. It rolls. Okay, in my defense, even if I had gotten a bigger size, medium large, this would have still been an issue. What? How is it supposed to stay? And don't even get me wrong. I know this size is probably too small, Faye. No shit. It's so common. Regardless if you have the right size or not, it just rolls because of my fat. You want to see how it looks like with my dress down? You want to see? You asked for it? Does it look better? Does it look better? I'm a whole ass ant life caterpillar. I'm a caterpillar. This is exactly what I was going for. Me in sections. Yeah, okay. Frosty the Snowman. It hurts. Don't make me start on this crack right here. I feel like a sponge being indulged in here. Final thoughts. I feel like a squeeze ball. I can physically feel the force of it conjoining my hips together. Hello? Yeah? Okay? Girl. Oh, like, do you see? Is this giving you Kim K vibes? I feel miserable, please. I'm just gonna take it off. Don't bend down. Almost fainted. Can I sue them? It's a hard pass. Maybe if I get a medium large. But wouldn't you too, if you were a size medium in general, you would think, oh, I'm gonna get shapewear in small medium. It'll suck me in a size smaller. No. Quality-wise, great. I can see that it's like hardy. I even have the bra on, so I've been a fan, okay? It's a no for me. Oh my god, taking this off is just as painful as putting it on. I feel like I'm waxing my butthole. I've been splitting my doses. This is how I came off my body. Go Cardi, Mario Kart. Would you like a pretzel? Cuff me. Catch. Yeah, definitely. So man, we're gonna insert this into you and it's gonna prevent all types of pricks. So I decided to get this brief. It's like the only thing still in stock. And I got this in the size medium. Obviously it's not a shapewear. I just thought it'd be fun to try on a underwear. See if it's perfect. This is cute. I can't step too far back. Mr. YouTube is watching. Oh, I love underwear that imitates men's briefs. Definitely my style of underwear I'd go for. It's ribbed so it makes you look more elongated. Even these lines right in the center. It kind of cuts your body in a flattering way. The shade is cute. It's just regular underwear. Feels nice, high-waisted, sucks in the tummy, hides it. I can like breathe all I want if I wanted to, you know what I mean? And I don't feel restricted. I feel like I've been released from jail. Is that how it feels? I love the little Skims logo. This is pretty tightening that it kind of like squeezes into your body, but it's not uncomfortable. The cotton itself feels super like soothing to the body. It's definitely an everyday underwear. Obviously it's not meant to suck in my tummy, so you still like clearly see my fupa out. I guess the banding does dig into your skin a little bit. You can definitely see the denting on the sides of my hips. That's a little insight. It makes me feel sexy. So we're heading over to the seamless maternity sculpting high-waisted briefs. Yeah, this area is obviously for your baby. Mine too. This at the back are for your 2 wonton buns. At the back, there is this elastic that grips onto your body. I'm assuming that's to help it not roll off your body. But as you can see, that wasn't the case for me. I like this fabric. More like stretchy. We have more room. It goes all the way up. Pretty comf. I'm trying to get the grip to stick on my skin, and I'm hoping that's gonna help it not roll down. It still rolls down, like I'm telling you, I have an issue. Yep, alright. Well, you still see the fupa, the lower belly, the upper belly, whatever you want to call it. Look at this hefty chunk back here. I like that the pouch stretched into my belly. I don't really know what to say. Obviously, there's not a lot of tightening because this pouch area is meant to stretch around your belly, right? Oh my god, I'm pregnant, why? I've always have though. She's almost 28 years pregnant, guys. I'm pretty apple shaped. It's not my place to be wearing this because, you know, it's for a maternity belly. It's doing its job. I would confirm it's holding its place. It's holding my food twins, and I'm really glad that you're here for it. It's super soft though. I mean, I love the texture. It's pretty stretchy. So maybe if you like have a food baby and you want your underwear to really expand out your food twins, then like I'd say go for it. Literally like stick another person in here if you wanted to. I mean, duh. Definitely not meant to be worn under a dress. If you're a normal food baby carrier like me, it's not gonna do much for your bodycon dress or your fupa. So yeah, such a fail. So I guess this is the big finale. We have this bodysuit. I'm assuming you don't wear underwear like in here? Underneath? I'm gonna wear underwear under here. You've seen enough today, Faye. I'm assuming you wear these bodysuits underneath like body dresses. If you're from Michigan, you probably just wear this on a normal day, just mowing your lawn. You know what I mean? Okay. My legs hitting a seat. Woo, it's tight on the cat. If you a big girl cat like me. Oh dang! Oh shit. I feel so fit. What are you, nude? Chloe helping me right now. You humping me? Yes. Dude, this is kind of nice. Oddly? For what? This is probably the best item I got out of everything from Skims. What do you wear that under? I don't know. What would you wear? Maxi dress? I feel like a ninja. You didn't rip up! I know, what are you supposed to do? Oh, this is a power mesh cat suit. Wear cute underwear under it. You wear some heels. And you just go out like this? Yeah. I'm supposed to be like in front of a green screen right now. But I would never wear this out, you know? Look at my ass. Squeezes my stomach in. I actually feel really like snug and it feels great. I'm sure you could wear pants like jeans over these. This is in the size medium. It feels perfect on my body. The back rolls feel nice and cemented. The ass cheeks are not shaking per usual. Arms feel good. They're not like super comfortable, especially around this area. But I mean, enough to whack you in the elbow, face, eyeball. Oh yeah, it's super long. This has to be my favorite. It is not like flattering on the crotch area. I mean, like it's like baggy for me when it shouldn't be because she's the ultimate tummy test. My jiggly fatties are pretty well mannered right now. This is how I can explain it. This cat suit, instead of it just being flabby and jiggly everywhere, it's like bloated where it's like kind of tight. So bouncy, don't get me wrong. And honestly, this cat suit actually makes me appreciate my frame a little more, although it is squeezing me in literally in all places. It truly makes me appreciate my body more. Girl, you cute! I appreciate it. I like it. I'm not ashamed of it. I stutter when I lie. Just kidding. If you're into cat suits and you know how to accessorize it, wear things with it, without it, under it, I say this cat suit is a win. Okay, so I bought these pieces just personally for me to wear. Thought I'd share it anyway. I mean, I guess I'm here. These are the shorts, as we already know. Size medium. Pretty tight. Tight as in like it's fitted. Thought they'd be a little baggier, but apparently not. Bro. So this is the top. Yeah, you can tell when a shirt is like too small on you when it looks like this. I look muscular, don't I? Do I look like I belong in combat? I'm not too sure about the shorts. Tight on the chesty besties. My favorite is probably the color. Too overpriced, honestly. That is it for the Skims haul. I know you guys are probably expecting more shapewear for the fupa, but honestly, everything just sold out. Let me know if you guys want me to try one that's actually medium large or even like large XL. Probably get all the sizes of one item just to see how they fit differently and how they can conform your body and not roll down, I hope. If you take one thing away from this video, I hope that it's just to be comfortable in your skin. Learn how to accept your body for what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go live in this suit for a couple days. See you then. I'm sending you a little bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't